Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi, keeps saying no internet, gets stuck on unable to join network or disconnects randomly, don't worry. This is a very common issue and usually easy to fix. In iPhone settings 2026, Wi-Fi problems are often caused by network glitches, wrong settings, router issues, or cached configurations. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So common Wi-Fi problems you may see, like Wi-Fi network not appearing, unable to join network, connected but not internet, keeps disconnecting, works on other devices but not iPhone. Okay, so turn Wi-Fi on, then on, off and then on, sorry. So go to settings, okay, look for Wi-Fi, okay. So turn it off, wait 10 minutes and turn Wi-Fi on again. So this refreshes the wireless connection, okay? So restart your iPhone. This is another way, okay? So it's very effective. Turn iPhone off, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on, okay? So this clears temporary system glitches affecting Wi-Fi. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router. Many Wi-Fi issues are router side, so unplug router for 60 to maybe 30 to 60 seconds, it's enough. Plug it back again, okay, after you unplug the router for 30 to 60 as I said, and plug it back and then wait until all lights stabilize, okay, then try reconnecting. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.